Unlocking the phrase, lock in your choice. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, lock in your choice. This phrase is quite common in various contexts, especially in games, quizzes, and decision-making scenarios. If you've ever been puzzled by what it means to lock in a choice, then you're in the right place. Let's explore together. Lock in your choice means to make a final decision and commit to it, ensuring that no changes can be made afterward. Imagine you're deciding between two answers on a quiz, and once you lock in your answer, there's no going back. It's about commitment and finality. This phrase is not just limited to quizzes or games. You might hear it in various situations, such as television game shows, where contestants have to make a final decision on their answer. Online polls or surveys, where participants select an option and submit it as their final response. Decision-making processes in meetings or teams, when a final choice is made after discussions. Using lock in your choice is about expressing the need for a decision to be final and unchanged. Here are a few examples of how you can use it. Have you decided on which movie to watch? Lock in your choice so I can buy the tickets. You've thought about it long enough. It's time to lock in your choice and move forward. Lock in your choice is a powerful phrase that underscores the importance of decision-making and commitment. Whether you're faced with a trivial choice like picking a movie or a significant life decision, understanding and using this phrase can add clarity and finality to your decisions. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of lock in your choice for you. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the richness of the English language.